After checking dozens of forums, workshops, and real owner reviews, I gathered the best information to tell you, in clear and simple words, the most common issues found in the Nissan Tiida from 2013 to 2023. This isn't theory, it's what people are actually experiencing out there with this model. One of the most frequent complaints has to do with the automatic transmission, especially in the more commonly used models with the 4-speed gearbox. Many owners report that once the car warms up, the transmission starts shifting harshly or gets stuck in one gear. On forums like Club Nissan and Reddit, several users agree that this tends to show up after the 100,000 kilometer mark, about 62,000 miles. The most common causes point to worn solenoids in the transmission or skipped maintenance. Although Nissan hasn't issued a specific bulletin about this for the Tiida, they have made general recommendations regarding proper fluid type and change intervals. The most common solution is to do a full transmission service, oil and filter change, valve body cleaning, and in more severe cases, replacing the transmission or internal components. Another issue that's caused major headaches is the crankshaft position sensor. Many drivers have noticed the car stalls out of nowhere or won't start, especially in hot weather. Comments on Copilot Search and AutoCosmos forums mention that this problem is so common, some people carry a spare sensor in the glove box. When it overheats, the sensor fails to send the correct signal, cutting off engine spark. The most effective fix is replacing the sensor with an OEM or high-quality brand. Some shops also recommend checking the connector itself, as a loose contact is sometimes the real issue, not the sensor. It's also common for owners to complain about uneven front tire wear. At first glance, it may look like an alignment problem, but many mechanics say it's actually due to worn suspension bushings or loose ball joints. One user on Edmunds said, "I've already replaced the front tires 3 times too early, and I just found out it was due to busted bushings." In this case, there's no official bulletin from the manufacturer, but many specialized shops recommend inspecting the entire front suspension every 12,000 miles, about 20,000 kilometers, and replacing bushings and ball joints if there's play or dryness. This not only extends tire life, but also improves the vehicle's overall stability. Another recurring topic is air conditioning failure, especially when it's used for long periods. Some owners explain that the AC starts off cooling fine, but then starts blowing warm air after a while. In forums like Car Gurus and Reddit, most people agree that the issue comes from the compressor, or the compressor clutch, which wears out over time. Others mention a faulty pressure sensor. While there's no official recall, some dealerships recommend cleaning the system and replacing the compressor if it's no longer working. It's also advised to avoid using alternative refrigerants and to get the system serviced annually to prevent overpressure issues. Lastly, there's an issue that doesn't stop you from driving, but is definitely annoying: power window problems, especially in the front doors. Many owners say the windows go down fine, but go up slowly, or sometimes don't respond at all. Several forums mention that the window motor weakens over time, and that dust buildup in the tracks also plays a role. In this case, the solution is usually simple. Clean the tracks with silicone lubricant, and if that doesn't work, replace the motor. Some shops also recommend checking the window switch itself, as sometimes that's all it is.